We've covered the eclectic and advanced capabilities of the Chauvin Arnoux Qualistar power quality analyzers, but they are expensive. So why should facilities managers, business owners, electrical contractors shell out for one of these testers? How are they going to benefit from them?
So yeah, the one-off purchase price of these devices is a significant cost. But when you look at that compared to the electricity use of a business, particularly if it's a large business, you could be wasting a lot of electricity and a lot of energy. So for a one-time purchase with a power quality analyzer, you can actually identify and make savings over a long period of time. So the payback on energy efficiency savings could actually pay for itself very quickly. Yeah. But also that saving is ongoing for a long period of time. Now, where they really start to pay for themselves is when you start looking at premature failure of equipment. So you could have equipment that's breaking relatively often, and if you look at downtime, say on a production line, if you've got a production line producing cars or something like that, and you have downtime, regular downtime on that production line, these could pay for themselves in a couple of shifts. Yeah. So really, from that side of things, if you've got bigger installations, if you're a big electricity user, you should really have a look at a power quality analyzer, because actually you might not know you've got issues in there until you start looking, but when you start looking, the savings will be quite apparent.
Yeah, there's multiple streams of revenue that will make up the cost of one of these analyzers.
There is, and it is an upfront cost, but generally, once you actually identify these things, you're making those savings over a long period of time. And just downtime or failure of 2 or 3 pieces of equipment, when you're talking sort of industrial equipment, or I think the example I used earlier was an MRI scanner in a hospital, where you're talking £150,000 of, problems, plus all the delays and things like that. So, if you've got that type of equipment, or say you've got a data center or something like that, where downtime is just, really, really expensive. Yeah. The price for a power quality analyzer really pales into its significance compared to the savings that you can make.
Yeah, it's negligible, really.
It is.
Is it fair to say that Chauvin Arnoux Qualistar power quality analyzers are the key not just to unlocking energy efficiency, but to revolutionizing our energy landscape?
Yes, so the power quality analyzer are really essential to looking at your energy usage, both from an energy savings point of view, but actually getting a grip of the now diverse range of energy inputs that we're trying to deal with an installation. So modern installations, we've got a creaking supply grid, we've got new technologies like PV and batteries and heat pumps and wind turbines, and all of this going into the energy mix. The only way to get a grip of that is to have a product that can actually measure those diverse inputs and really give you the information that you need to make informed decisions. So yeah, these really are the key to unlocking those technologies for any user.